Good morning and welcome, Jilly Cube here. Thought I'd do I had so many new followers on my Facebook page asking for the different styles, and even on this YouTube channel, beginners asking, what's a Dutch pour, what's a flip cup. I'm not sure with all of these new names that people create for everything, but I'm just trying to give you the basic ones. So I'll start off my first pour, and this will be the Dutch pour or chaos blow, in that, as you see, I've put a base coat down, and today I'm using those paints that I showed you. They're actually just picked up from a local discount store, never seen them before. Thought I'd just add my normal pouring medium. That info is in the drop down box underneath this video, and I'll just have a go with them and see how they come out. So it's just a quick going through of the different styles, and this one was on an MDF round. I think somebody explained to me last what the MDF, it's like a modified wood anyway, so it doesn't ever, when I've done them on the MDF, they don't actually warp or anything, so they're pretty good. Now, this chaos blow on this MDF, those paints, as you see, they have not really, I thought I'd put way too much paint on, but nothing really special happened with them, so, they were a new paint I tried and nothing special happened. So the next one will be a dirty cup, meaning it's all the different colours in one cup, and it's going to be a flip cup pour. So you add in your different colours, just a little bit at a time to get all the different colours in there, and then you simply flip it and lip it onto your canvas. Beautiful colours come out there, so hopefully this one will look like a stone effect, or even something geographical, I guess, but they always usually come out pretty nice, as long as your paints are not too thin when you're mixing them, because if they're very thin when you do a flip cup pour, I find that then the paints have more chance to go muddy. But that one looks fabulous, so actually really like that. So I hope you like that too, in these lovely earthy tones. And then we'll get on to the next exciting episode, and that will be, what am I going to do next? What? Oh, 3 pours and a swipe. So it's number 3 is a pour and a swipe technique. So I've poured those colours on singularly, which is there is a metallic gold and metallic copper, and there's a clay, and then there's I think it was called pottery, is that kind of yellow mustard colour. As again, it was those cheaper paints that I'm trying. So it's just to give people option for, to do acrylic artwork at a discount, at bargain. That anybody can do it, because mostly it is the pouring medium you're using in there more so than the paint. That little bit I'm trying to do a swipe was with just ordinary black with no Floetrol in it, and I didn't actually get, I've got a few little like champagne cells, but the best cells or lacing can be achieved with the adding Floetrol to your paint, and that's what I've done here, is added the Floetrol, and you will see a really laciness pops up out of that effect, which hopefully I'll give you a close-up in a second or two. So that is like a pour and swipe, and these techniques are all easy to do for beginners. Look at that, look at the lovely lace. So I will just finish off this one for you, and then I'll be on to the next one. I've got to add a few balloon kisses, wouldn't be a jillified if I didn't. Love, love, love this technique. So it was just my normal white base coat with the normal pouring medium in, and there was that little bit of a clay colour across there, and then I just is the Amsterdam black with Floetrol as my swipe colour, and it just creates the most amazing lace. Not amazing grace, amazing lace. So this is like a swipe and puddle pour. So those are just little puddles again with the metallic bronze, and then I'm adding some of that. I'll have to double check the colour. I know this one was called clay, and I think the other one was called pottery, but then a bit more of my, what they call a cell activator, is just to make sure the lovely laciness comes through. I'd added a little bit of Floetrol, as you can see. This was to some cool blue. I just thought it'd be nice to put a pop of colour in this, give it a little point of difference. So I'm just layering that, and you can do this on a fairly large canvas and it works out beautiful. I've done loads and loads of them in previous videos. And then I'm using just the straw on this one because it is only a small canvas. I think if I got my blow dryer, I would just blow everything everywhere, and just look a mess. I'm thinking at this point, even though I was getting some lovely lace in there, I'm thinking it needed a little bit of white in the centre. So after I do these little embellishments, which you can do or you can leave, it's all very personal, remember. You can, when you're watching a YouTube artist, take some of the things that they do that you like and leave out the things you don't. Simple as that. So now I'm just adding a bit of the white in there, and I'm going to take my straw again and just create a little point of difference, a little feature in the centre. When I finish with it, it'll look pretty nice. So that was 4 easy acrylic pour styles or techniques with discount store paint. It is a cheaper paint, so I thought it was a good thing to use if there's beginners that just want to start with a discount store paint that can get good results. I did it with the normal pouring medium that I've got in the drop down box, and mostly those colours. That one looks like cut stone. It's gorgeous. It's like an aerial view looking down on a canyon or something. And that one, and then of course this very pretty one. Look at this, and look at this laciness. Absolutely gorgeous. Just threw a bit of that blue in there. It's pretty nice. So there's 4 easy techniques for you if you're a beginner or if you just want to get back down to basics. They're just 4 easy techniques. So my lovelies, I want to thank you so much for joining me. I want to remind you to keep yourself well. If you're feeling sad, lonely or upset, please ring a family member or a friend, or if not, a helpline. Always somebody there to help. Don't suffer in silence. Until tomorrow, bye for now.